I'm Ken Candelas, and this is Metal Studio Designer. Metal Studio Designer is here to help you build the professional studio in your home studio, the one you've always dreamed about. Now, most studios around the world have started to close. And the reason for that is, with all the technology that we've been given and blessed with, well, there's a downfall to all the high-profile studios around the world finding work. However, this is not just sad news. We actually have great news about this, because now all of that information, thanks to the internet, have given us a path to share the knowledge of creating better studios at home. This studio design course is meant to help you do exactly just that. You're going to learn the fundamentals of sound in depth on a physics level, with mathematics and why things work the way they do, and to explain everything about electricity, harmonics, and digitization, and why do we need certain computers. You're gonna learn all of that and more, because Metal Studio Designer is here to make your metal dungeon the best that it can be. I have built my own studio from scratch, and it was one of the most rewarding experiences of my life. Let me show you how to do it. Where I have been teaching this stuff to students for several years, and I've been an engineer for more than a decade. Let's go ahead and do this together so that we can build the best studio for you, just like you've always dreamed of. See you on the other side.